Hello everybody, my name is Yuri and I'm with Funnel Insiders. In this video I'm going to show you the meat and potatoes of Facebook ads. This video is going to be an overview of how to set up and start your Facebook ads campaigns, what to do with all the toggles and triggers, what type of campaign style to choose. I'm going to be using a lead generation campaign, for example. Now this doesn't matter, generally speaking, the type of campaign you want to run is not very relevant for the setup. We do want to make sure that we're generating leads or we have some sort of a conversion event. Most of the campaigns, if not all, that I run are going to be based on conversion event or website conversion campaigns. Facebook offers us many styles. I'm going to go into an existing account here. I'm going to show you how I set it all up. Now you can see this is a campaign budget optimization. Now if you're curious on the setup, there's a video that I'll link to in the description of how to use CBO campaigns to your advantage. Now this video, this campaign is just titled something WC, standing for website conversion, and the location that I'm running in. Now this is for a local lead gen client. I want to just stress this is for local lead gen clients, okay? Our objective is conversions. So when you create a new campaign in Facebook, it offers you tons of options. We don't want lead generation, we want conversions. This is the only one, really the only style that I use often. I use other styles, but generally speaking, this is the one we want to go to. If you're an e-commerce person, you can use add to cart, you can use purchase events, initiate checkout events, etc. I'll include that in a different video. Let's strictly focus on lead generation here. Now, the setup for a local lead generation campaign is going to be open targeting. Why open targeting? Because generally our audience is going to be fairly small because we're localizing it. Now, we're looking at 200,000 people in the audience. Let's just look at all the settings here. Now, I'm opening up my campaign. You're going to be able to take a look at everything here. Now, let's look. All right, so we have it set as a lead as the Pixel Fire. This is the event for the Pixel setup. If you need help with the Pixel setup, that'll be included in another video. I have some Pixel events set up already with my WooCommerce store. You just need to use Pixel My Site Pro. That's again for a different video. Watch that video if you're curious how to set up your Pixel correctly. Now this is for dynamic creative. Again, go back to the video and look at the dynamic creative structure. Learn about how I structured it. We don't need budgets because we are on campaign budget optimization. I select the location and then the radius. This is whatever the radius that you're going for. Age is going to be relevant, so if you want homeowners, you want to do ages 26 and up, etc. But really, it doesn't matter. We're looking for anybody in this particular account. We want strictly leads in any age. Really doesn't matter. Okay? Detailed targeting, nothing. Okay? Connections, nothing. No audience. Placements, automatic. And we want the 7 days click conversion window. That's it. So this is the entire setup that I use with my dynamic creatives for local lead generation. Okay, so if you want local lead generation campaigns, use this setup. You want this exact setup, watch my other videos on scaling and what to do with CBO and how to set up your Pixel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you have additional questions. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you have questions or want additional videos made. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.